my gosh, hey guys, it's Miz. I'm just so happy. Like, I can't believe that the package is here, and I just want to say thank you so much, Naz, for doing this giveaway, including a MacBook in it. I'm just so grateful that I had the opportunity to enter and win, and I'm in shock because
listen, so baby, tell me where your low lies. Waste a day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your low lies.
I'll link down the video that I actually watched before I entered her giveaway, and it's crazy because it was about how to win a giveaway, and I don't know, I'm lost for words. I can't even breathe, but let's just get on with the unboxing. And this is what I was saying, that they're so huge. Like, I don't know where to start. And the lighting's pretty trash, but these packages. I forgot to mention that this video is me not trying to brag or anything. I got a few requests to do like an unboxing video, so I was like I would. And I also wanted to share with like my family and friends who are not here. And if I did like a Snapchat story, then it just would have been way too long and everyone would have blocked me. So I was like, I'll just make a YouTube video for everyone across the border to see, because it was like a requested video for me. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's just get started. So it says Mizzle Baby on here, and I guess we can open the small one. I'm opening this one. It says Mizzle Baby, and it's from North Hollywood, California. I pass by there when I go to school all the time. I take North Hollywood Station to get to school. Woo! I do not know how to open boxes. I literally open boxes at work and I still don't know what I'm doing. So please bear with me. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. I see a bunch of products in here. And I'm guessing this is the bag that she had opened. Oh my gosh. This is so much. Oh my god. Girl, you better not cry, because your best friend Wendy saw you cry and it was ugly. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I still don't know what to do with all the face masks I have. They're just... Mac. Oh my gosh. Lime crime. As you can see, I was planning on doing a makeup collection. Pretend you don't see my Starbucks cups, but this is where I store my makeup, in those little containers of like 3. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna show you guys what this box looks like, because this is insane. It is full to the top. I don't know how to feel. Like, I was really scared to film this video because like my reaction, I can't get myself together. I'm not making any sense. We have Mac in here. We have Mac. We have Wet n Wild. We have Tarte. Like, some of these products I will ask for Christmas. Like, this is insane. Mac. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I guess I'm just gonna start showing you stuff right now. And I gave that away. Oh my gosh, I'm just so thankful. So we got this. We got a palette. We got some perfume. We have a face mask, another face mask that I haven't touched. We got sunscreen. I'm gonna give this to Jeremiah because we go everywhere and he's like, you don't have sunscreen. And I'm just like, I'm sorry. I don't really need it. I probably do need it, but I never wear it. So we got some lashes. These are beautiful. We have some MAC press powder. A MAC bronzer. This is just insane. Wow. Tarte eyeshadow palette. Like the random pause, I was taking pictures for my mom because she was like, I want to see when you open up everything, and she's at work right now, so I lost my scissors. That's not good. Okay, well, I'll look for it later. Here's an overview of everything. Oh, great, found my scissors. Overview, Tarte, Maybelline, MAC, Wet n Wild, Maybelline, I think I said that already. Glam Glow. Just so much goodies. I'm just so thankful for. I'm so excited for this. There's so many products I'm excited for. I'm excited for everything. Like, there's just so much excitement that I don't know where to put it and place it and say, and whoo, I'm just so thankful. So thankful. But, so we're opening up our second package. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Kiki, do you love me? Are you ready? Alrighty. I don't know how to open boxes. My friends at work are probably gonna laugh at me, but it's okay. Alrighty. She doesn't want to cooperate. Another bag. Another bag. Oh wow, another bag. This is so cute. Live green, play dirty. That is so cute. I can have a place for myself bag now because I have to organize my whole room. Now, okay, so we got some, oh, let me scoop up now that the box is open. Okay, so we got some, what is this? Sunscreen. We got a Glam Glow treatment. Some pens. Yeah, marker pens, some gel pens. Oh my gosh, I can't. We have this planner. This is so cute. I love planning. Oh, the calligraphy on it already. So pretty. I love it. Oh gosh, the handwriting's so good. The calligraphy on this is so good. Okay. Okay, I guess I can stand behind here. I don't know. Some more face mask. We have some notebooks. Oh my gosh. This doesn't seem real. Like, I feel like I can't believe it's okay. Woo! God is good all the time. You know what? God is good. We got some stickers, some gel pens, Bobbi Brown palette. Oh, that's pretty. I watched this one YouTuber, her name's Brianna, and she always uses Bobbi Brown cosmetics. Then we have this Vice lipsticks. Beautiful. Oh. Then we have, oh my gosh, this Urban Decay, I want to say Urban Decay palette. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Where are these? Ooh, lip mousses. Wow, I'm gonna have so much stuff for my lips. My lips are huge, so this is exciting. Ooh, a Tarte palette. Yes. Okay. Have some pencils. This beautiful backpack. This beautiful backpack. No hairs. Yes, sweetie. It's really heavy. In here. Oh, I forgot about these. I was like, dang, that backpack's real heavy for nothing in it. I forgot. I legit forgot. It's so, like, I was talking, I had a vlog yesterday. I think I cut it out, but I was saying, like, it's so crazy to, like, win a giveaway. And, what's it called? It's so crazy because it's on your screen. It's not in your hands yet. And so it's just crazy. Like, it's unbelievable. Like, I'm lost for words. Like, I'm just, like, I can't even. We have this mini Pinks Instax camera. We have some film, moisturizer, wipes, the soap, and then the foaming scrub. So I'm excited to get my skin right because all the beauty gurus say it's like so important to get your skin right, and like I've been lagging on it. So okay, I guess we can open these up. Okay. ASMR. No. So I just decided to open the MacBook Air first, but I'm lost for words because this was one of the things that I was trying. It was on my bucket list to get, but it was just so expensive. So I ended up buying like a $600 laptop from Amazon. It's a Dell touchscreen, and I'm a film student, so like everyone around me is surrounded by MacBooks, and I just was like kind of feel left out, but I was like, it will happen. It will happen when it happens, you know. So we got the little film off. So here it is. Oh my gosh, this is insane. This is so crazy and so beautiful. Wow. We have, I'm guessing, the cube. I've been watching a bunch of unboxing videos, so we have the charger cord and then the extra one, the instructions and stickers. Okay, so I'm gonna take the film off. Wow. Wow. So ASMR. It's getting real. So beautiful. This doesn't even feel real. Whew! She's cold. Wow, so beautiful. Ah, it wants to fly away. Alright, I don't know where to turn it on. Oh, the on button is right here. Yay! So I'm gonna set this down for a second, and I'm gonna open the Beats. Okay, so we have the wireless Beats. This is something I also told myself I wanted to get, which is so crazy that if you speak it into existence somehow, in some way, if you work for it, if you pray for it, if you enter a giveaway for something that you want, anything is possible, and that you can get anything you put your mind to. It says change the way you hear sound. Yes, so beautiful. My room's a mess, and that's okay because I'm just gonna enjoy everything that I received. Wow, these are nice. These are nice. This is such an upgrade from what I have. Like real Beats now. I'm gonna show you what I was using. My Beats before. I got these at like some random store, I forgot. And they were $15. So the fact that I have real ones now and the laptop that I've always wanted, I'm lost for words. And you know, if there's a giveaway that your favorite YouTuber has, enter it because you just never know, and I'm just so thankful. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna enjoy my stuff before I go to work. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, And if you guys want me to do a video on how to win a giveaway or anything of that, just let me know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff, but I know I have to put it away because it's time for me to get ready for work. And yeah, bye guys.